Friends,
Hello friends, I'm
welcome back to
KidsFunLearnClub.
and he is Parikshit and he loves to draw and he loves to enjoy and have fun with everybody like you, like me, and I love to draw with him, to teach him and have fun with him. So are you ready for the new drawing? And this new drawing is going to be the Starfire from Teen Titans Go.
Yeah.
You love it? So let's start drawing the Starfire from Teen Titans Go. It's going to be a very easy step-by-step drawing.
No, it's going to be very difficult.
It's
Just believe me.
No, it's going to be very easy. Just be with us. Go slowly. If you need, you can pause the video, slow the video, and make sure that you do it and you finish it and you start drawing
Yeah.
with a black sketch pen, a white paper, and a few colors. So let's start the drawing. Come on, start, Parikshit. Just follow me and it will be very easy.
It will never.
Yes.
But I don't able to make nice.
No problem. Nobody is able to make nice. See, like this. Come on, I will wait for you.
Okay.
And like this. Now, the hairs, okay? And from here,
I can't see.
yeah. Come on, start.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me see.
Yes, see.
I can't.
From here, one pony comes down.
Not a pony.
Yeah, it's a pony.
Is she a pony?
Okay. Now we make the ears. This is a weird shape of the ear here. And now we make the
Like a cat.
big hair. See, it come down like this. Now let's finish the eyes first so that it looks like a face. It's not looking like a face only now. Make the eyebrows.
Eyebrows are very pretty.
It's pretty.
Yeah, obviously.
And the eyes.
The eye
And
is
the
also
eyeballs. And the nose. And the face. Okay. Now we make the other pony on this side. How is the pony? Okay. And now let's make the body first. Oh my god, that's a weird shape that's coming up.
pretty. See mine? Oh, see mine?
Yeah, yours is better. So let's start making the neck. Then we make the body. It got a very slim and a fit body. Right, Parikshit?
Not slim.
Yeah, it's a slim body.
Very thick.
Yeah, extremely thin body.
Yeah.
Not thick.
Thin like me.
See, this is the skirt. And these are the legs. You see how tall the legs are? Oh my god.
You also have these tall legs.
Yes, I have also these tall legs. Are you finding this drawing difficult?
Yeah.
No, it's not at all difficult. Yes, see.
If I'm following you, it's very easy peasy.
Easy, easy. Now let's make the hands, okay?
Okay.
From here.
Papa,
Yes.
is this the tummy?
Yeah. So we'll make the tummy over here. Okay? And now we make the hand shield. It has a shield. Okay?
Let me see. Are you able to draw this nice? Baba?
Yes, beta.
Are you able to draw this nice?
This is not a nice drawing. This is a very dirty drawing that I am doing. This is not at all nice. And now we complete the hairs. See, this is how we completed. Give me a little space. And we are done. Let's quickly take a pink color and a purple color and a black color and a fluorescent green color.
What is this?
I am done with the drawing.
You're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
But I need
You're missing a lot of things.
I won't be doing the skin color. I will be leaving it white.
Why?
Hmm?
Why?
Yes.
Why?
Because I want to leave it white.
It will not look nice.
It will look nice. And we are done. See, you are not being seen in the camera. You again put it down, kya?
Mwah.
Come. No problem. Come, just make it close. Bring it closer.
I am also done.
You're done?
Yeah.
So we are done with drawing the Starfire from Teen Titans Go! Did you like the drawing? If you did, do like and subscribe our channel for a lot of new drawing ideas and stories from Parikshit and science experiments and games and a lot more.
Yeah.
Keep watching Kids Fun Learn Club and keep having a lot of fun and also learn.
Yeah.
Until then, have a good day. Bye bye.
Have a good holiday.